see this debate between those who say today constitution is in danger, Samvidhan khatre mein hai, and those who are saying the constitution is the sentinel of our democracy, we should celebrate our constitution?
Well, I don't think the Constitution has really ever been in danger except during that brief period during the emergency. But I mean, people may have nuanced differences about uh, uh, how institutions are performing their duty, whether they're performing their duty well or not, or at all, is possibly a subject matter of debate. But the Constitution, by and large, has stood the test of time. In fact, if you ask me, Rajdeep, its very existence, instills in people the idea of popular sovereignty. So the fact that you had the people of this country, right, once overturn or overthrow a government that subverted the constitution. And secondly, that we have periodic elections every time, which by and large are fair and free. I know there's the odd carping about EVMs, which is now buried, and then about the new SIR and all that. But by and large, I think the Constitution itself has given people a sense of their own power, and that for that very reason, I think it survived the test of time.
You're saying the Constitution has given people a sense of their own power. Let me challenge you on that by saying there are those who believe the institutions of our democracy, under the guise of the Constitution, have been captured by whoever is in power, and particularly by all-powerful governments like the one we have now. And these captured institutions, whether they are the Election Commission or an enforcement directorate, all of them become subservient to those in power, and that's where the Samvidhan is in danger. That's when people's rights are in danger. Do you agree or not?
If you're saying that the criticism is that that people who should be manning institutions more independently are in fact becoming more subservient, there may be an element of truth in that. There may be an element of truth in that. I suppose when you talk about subservience and capture and all that, you're really talking about the judiciary, right? You're really talking about the judiciary, because the judiciary is supposed to be the umpire between compliance and transgression of the Constitution.
Sir, Mr. Jethmalani, the judiciary is supposed to be the umpire and supposed to protect our fundamental rights. But I'll tell you, yesterday I interviewed Justice Gawai, former Chief Justice who just retired, and he said firmly that this country must be run on rule of law and not on rule of bulldozer.